Hey Chris, your watch is done. Turned out very nicely. I really like this Segai dial. It's pretty cool. Only issue with the dial was that for some reason or another, it sat so tightly against the dial holder on the movement spacer ring dial holder, that it was causing the date wheel to have like friction against it to where it didn't want to change over correctly, or smoothly, I should say. So what I did was I took some 3M adhesive and created like a spacer in between the dial and the dial holder, so that it allowed enough space to where there wasn't any more resistance or friction on it. It's basically the same as like having dial feet on a watch when it doesn't have the, or not dial feet, but dial dots on a watch when you're not using dial feet. But you still have your dial feet on this. It just, I put the adhesive in between to create like enough of a gap to where it wouldn't cause that hang up. So anyhow, that's done. Oh, and you did not include a bezel gasket, the rubber O-ring gasket that goes inside the bezel, which allows it to basically be held on to the watch. So I supplied one of those, so that's going to be a little bit of an additional cost. I think I quoted you $159 for everything. So with that bezel gasket, it's going to be $170 for everything. But everything turned out nicely, and bezel action is amazing, nice and smooth like butter. And chapter ring is aligned perfectly, as you can see. And dude, I am so stoked on this loom. Look at this. Isn't that cool? Turned out really amazing. All right.